Hello, this is Eric Albertine. Hopefully we conclude this game today. In this last video. Hold on a second, I think I've... Yeah, need to do that. Ugh, I thought I hit the jump button there. There we go. I think this is actually the final battle. And of course I died. Yeah, this is gonna be... Yeah, this is gonna be hard. Oh well, I thought I had a good plan. And that phase is done. Wait, was that it? It can't be, can it? Aha. Oh boy. Yeah, I'm gonna suck on this boss. Yeah, let's save. Oh, that was a stupid idea. Yeah, just jump kick him to death. You're invincible when you do it. Except if you get hit when you land. And we beat the game, folks. Enjoy the ending. Man, everything has to explode. Vandalism. I hope he pays for the damages.
However, it is unknown if Pulseman was harmed in the explosion with gang boss Waruyama. Could this be the end for Pulseman?
Yeah, we were in the virtual world. I said to be quiet. I lied.
Here I am.
Yay! He lived.
This just in from RWT Network in Tokyo. Pulseman is alive!
Pulseman staff. You won't tell us what the password is, will you? Voice pattern. Why that? Staff credits. Direction and game design. Ken Sugimori, Satoshi Tajii, Junichi Masuda, Takendai Ota, Michiharu Nishihashi, Tomochi Ichi, I think that's what I said, Ken Sugimori, Motofumi Fujiwara, Atsuko Nishida. Music and sound effects by Junichi Masuda. Story and plot by Ryosuke Taniguchi. Translation, Mijet. Special thanks, Akihito Tomisawa, Hiroshi Kawamoto, Naoko Kawakami, Kenji Matsushima. I couldn't read the rest. Very small staffs for games like this. Nowadays, not so much.
Thank you for playing.
Thank you for playing! And I'm assuming that's it. Well, I hope you all enjoyed this, and I hope you enjoyed me failing at the game a lot. I'll probably be doing the same for Castlevania, but probably less so, because I'm really good at that game, or at least I used to be. So, that'll be in October, Let's Play, though, along with a couple other games. So, see you later. Oh, I guess it does quit after a while.